All right, we're doing page 316, number 29, using intercepts, graph using intercepts. Some folks are complaining that this takes a long time. I want to show you how quick this can happen. What's our first step in solving this problem?
T-chart.
T-chart. Write it down. When you're using intercepts, what 2 points do you have to pick? You make x equal to 0, and what do you get for y? You solve it. X equal to 0, and you make y equal to 0. All right? So those are the only 2 points you need to graph this. That's it. And we go ahead and put that in. Minus 5 times 0 plus y equals 3. Minus 5 times 0 plus y equals 3. Which means that y equals 3. There's a quicker way to do that. Guess what? If I were just to go like this, guess what? You'd get, well actually, can you just cover your hand over there? If we were just to go like that, y equals 3. You're done. That's it. We put it in, and the graphing intercept method makes it so quick and easy to do. Put in 3, please. All right? Now, if I want to make y equal to 0, I put the hand across y. Put your hand across the y. And you get minus 5x equals 3. So you get minus 5x, we'll put it out in full, plus 0 equals 3. Go ahead and finish that off. You get minus 5x equal to 3. You divide by negative 5. You get y equal to negative 3 over 5. You're done. Now you just graph it. No problem. This is taking all of 2 minutes, even with an explanation. So yes, x equals negative 3 over 5. Negative 3 over 5. How do you graph a fraction? No problem. 0, 3, first of all, goes 1, 2, 3, up there. And 3/5 is just a little more than a half. So we've got negative 3 over 5. This is 1 here, and that's 0. Negative 3/5 is going to be about there. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's basically about there. Close enough. And there's your line. We write it as an equation, minus 5x plus y equals 3. And those are our 2 points. And we're done. That's it. So a lot of these questions, they'll get real quick like that. So please, you've got to get quick at this. Otherwise, yes, it will take a long time. All right, the last question we're doing now is page 321, number 3. Page 321, number 3. And what they do in this question is they give you a graph, and then they ask you to find the slope. Finding the slope for this line is done in 2 different ways. One is the y2 minus y1 formula, and the other way is by going rise over run. We'll do it with red pen, rise over run. Now this line is facing a different direction than you're used to. The last time it went like this way. Now we have what do I call an airplane landing rather than taking off. Because before it was taking off, now it's a negative slope, that's right. But how do we find that? Rise over run. Where do we start? Which point? Does it matter?
Yes.
Which one?
The one closest to the X.
Which one? This one or this one?
The second one you pointed to.
Okay. Okay, we'll start there. We'll always start at the bottom.
You go up like as many as
okay.
The second go
That's
up.
right. We go up, rise. So from here.
One. I can't.
Okay, we'll draw a line here. We're drawing a line up.
Yeah, there, and then going to the left.
And then we're going to run that far.
Yeah, and then that's your slope.
Right. So this is your rise, and that's your run. So how many did we rise when we went up?
That's what
How many do we rise when we get up? Well, we got negative 2 here, right? So we're down at 5, negative 2. Wayne, how far did we go up? We went up from negative 2, 1, 2, 9, exactly. 7 minus negative 2. If this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2.
Yeah, you can do that without graphing though.
Yeah, you can. If that's that, then the rise is equal to 9. 9 positive because you're going up. And how far is the run?
7.
7. But is it negative or positive?
Negative.
It's negative 7. Why?
You're going to the left.
Because you're going to the left, exactly. So what's your rise over run? Can you write rise over run here? What's your rise over run?
9 over negative 7.
Yes, 9 over negative 7, so it's negative 9 over 7 either way. And you'd get the same answer if you went y2 minus y1 over x2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
This has been a Banana Apple production. Do your homework, kids.